feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Sure. And this is Oscar. I'm from Plymouth, in the UK.
What's your name?
Oscar.
Who's your best friend?
I don't know.
Who's your best friend?
I don't know. Someone at preschool.
Oh.
So, is Daddy not your best friend?
Elliot.
It's Elliot's your best friend.
Elliot, is it? Okay. How old are you?
3.
My name's Vicky. I'm from Finchampstead, Berkshire.
What do you like about living on a boat?
If you don't like your neighbours, you can
It's
move
my
across.
turn. My turn. No, my turn.
I quite like the
Let me have a go.
simplicity of living. You can't have everything. You can't fill it with stuff, which we have done and decluttered at least 3 times in the last 6 months.
Watch
I'm
me.
sat in a marina in a storm.
Watch me.
Yeah, currently we're sat in a marina in a storm.
Okay.
Smash it.
Last year we did 3-4 months of sailing in the Med,
I know what I do.
bringing a boat back that we bought in Greece, and now that that's back in the UK, normal life resumes. I'm in college doing an access course in science and psychology and a patisserie course,
I know.
just so that I've got some options, some things to put on my CV, some experience and some qualifications. So Oscar's in nursery for 4 days a week, preschool, and yeah. What about you? What are you doing?
Now we're back in the UK. We're going to sell our boat, so we need to do a bit of work on it. Sell our boat and buy a bigger boat.
One that we can sail around the world on. So we're upgrading from our 31-foot boat to a 46-foot boat. We haven't got enough space on this one to do extensive travelling. So that's the plan anyway. We really loved our travelling last year and going around the Med, sailing around the Med, and we want to do more of it, a lot more.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so
Ciao.
try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can